Hey guys, so now I wanted to touch on something that you're going to need to know if you're going to use Flexbox. So here we've got a menu, right? And once again, I want to let you know all of the code, the CSS and HTML is right here. You can go into the video description down below and there's a link to this. And I've even got the logo image there if you really want that too. At any rate, so here we've got our menu. But you may be aware that, and how did we make it? All right, we've got, it's very, very, very simple. We've got our Flexbox container, and then we've got our child elements, which then become items. And that's all they are. And I just happened to put a ping graphics file in this one, and the other ones have text. That's it, right? And the width is 100, the height is 60. Now I gave a little padding to the right because I'm going to show you this. Now, what if we did flex start? Right? If we did flex start, then all of them are over to the left, right? And if we did flex end, what? They would be all over here. Now I put a little bit of padding right there just because I thought, well, let's not put it up against the edge completely there. But maybe what you want is you want the logo over here in this area, and then you want all of the menu items here over to the right. So how do you do that? Well, it's actually very easy with Flexbox. What you do is you take this item here, okay, and we give that a margin right of auto, and boom. So what that does is it takes up all of the free space to the right of it. Okay? Now, we could have done this another way. What we could have done, that's what margin auto does, right? It takes up all that space. What we could have done was this. We take that off, and boom, we're all over there. Now, we could have taken the properties one here, and we could have said style margin left auto, okay, and that's going to have the same effect. What it does is it takes up all of this, eats up or uses up all of the space to the left or to the right, etc. Now, if we wanted, we could do this. We could say, let's put all these back into the center. And let's give this a margin right of auto. And then let's take this and put it on the last item here. And what do you think is going to happen? These two items here will both be in the corner, and the other ones will be in the center, because you may want that. You could do some special styles with that, etc. So, by the way, how did I do this little thing with the menu? What I did was I gave the default state a border top of white. So it has the border top right now. And then I just changed the color. It's the same thing, border top, when the user hovers. Because otherwise, what would happen if there was no border here, it'll change the layout just slightly. And so the text will move, and we don't want that. Okay, so I just thought I would let you guys know that.